Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Dongayard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. Cooking journey, but today we ain't gonna cook again. Now, first and foremost, I just want to give a big up to the subscriber who suggested this. Danny, big up yourself. You know yourself. He suggested that I do some more information, some more, was it information? The video that we showed the difference between the stew and the brown stew. Now, looking at that video, I realized that people really wanted that information. And as I said to you from some time ago, cooking, yes, it has a theoretical part of it and it has the practical. A whole heap of practical we're doing it. But we need some theory thing going on right here in the kitchen. And we need to know some things. There are a lot of things I was really thinking about that I could do videos to give you information on. But I was thinking and said, should I? But now I realize that I can. It's needed. Now, today I wanted to talk about two things, but I don't want to get you all confused with the information that I'm about to give out. So I'm just gonna stick to one. Today we are gonna talk about curry. Curry chicken, curry beef, curry mutton, curry pork, curry saltfish, curry salt mackerel, curry cabbage. You can curry just about anything you want to curry. And you are new to my channel, even if you are old subscriber, if you have not yet visited that curry chicken video, if you have not seen it, we're going to leave the link for you in the description of this video. You go watch that curry chicken video. Now I want to elaborate today on two things pertaining to the curry. We want to talk about too much of a curry on your chicken and whatever meat, and too less of a curry. Yeah? Too less of a curry, too much of a curry. How do we correct that? I hope you're all in. I hope you're all listening very keen to what I say. Now, let us talk about the too less of a curry first. Let we take that out of the way. Too less of a curry can either be you're not so keen on how much curry, the proportion of the curry to the meat, like the amount of curry to what meat. You still can be keen on it, but at the same time, you end up meet up on a little bad breed curry somewhere along the line. Now these little bad breed curry, they have the color, but when you put them in the pot and start cooking them, that is when you realize that you don't understand how much of this curry, how this curry is so pretty. And then when you look, the meat get white. Meat get white and you're putting all the curry. It is the nature of the curry. We got no control over that. Now, two things to correct that curry. One of the things would be probably it would still remain curry chicken, and one of what I'm gonna say, the other one probably it still might not be curry chicken, but like a curry with taste nice. What you can do is too less of a curry. If you have more curry, you can put it, but don't go about sprinkling. Okay, you season up your meat, or you burn your curry or whatever, you start cooking your curry. When you reach part when the cooking, you realize this curry powder is not the right color. This thing needs some more curry. This curry looking weak, it's looking rather magrish, and it wants some more curry. Yes, you have more curry powder, but you just don't want to go about just putting the curry powder on it like that. 90% of the people that I know, including myself, cooking curry, burn curry. A small percentage of people may say I season up meat with curry, because curry is a thing that have that kind of is of a sort of grainy nature, you know. So when you burn it in the pot, and rub it, and when you see it start to foam, that is when you burn it and you see it start to frothing, you're ready to put in your meat. Right back to what we're saying. So what you want to do now, you start to season up that thing there, that curry, and you start to cook, and you realize that this curry, it is pale. It's a pale curry. This is not up to the standard of curry chicken, the color of the curry chicken. You want to correct it. You have more curry. What you want to do is, before you add that curry to that partially cooked curry on the meat, you need to burn a little more of that curry. Okay? Burn it rigorously and rubbing it out. And then that curry now, you can't eat that, because now when you burn it, it's partially cooked. So you can just add the meat with that partially cooked meat with the curry in there, when not so strong, to this add the other set of curry. But you don't add it just raw like that. You are gonna find yourself into some serious problems, and you're going, let me tell you straight, you're going to have belly problem, you're going to have diarrhea. If you don't have diarrhea, something is wrong with the curry. Do not, when the curry is not as strong, you start cooking it, do not just sprinkle the additional curry powder on it. You burn it, and then you can finally incorporate it in that partially cooked one. Okay? 2 less of a curry. Okay? One more thing. If you find that the curry is too pale, you don't have no more curry. Now, you have to go put a pinch of browning or a pinch of soy sauce. If you definitely don't want the white curry, because a white curry is a very insipid looking. White curry, to me, knowing the real curry, it may not like that look there, and you don't like it either. So you might want to put a little bit of a soy sauce, anything like of a dark, to start to get one little, you're going to get a little kind of funny color. It's not going to be browned, and it's still not going curry. It's going to have a little pretty color in between. So you still can't call it curry there. But those are 2 things that you would do to correct the too less of a curry. Now, the too much of a curry. You don't understand this curry powder. It is so strong. You don't understand. You put you use your regular proportion, your regular amount of curry that you use to your regular amount of meat. But for some reason, when you're looking at the pot, you can't say that curry are rough, that curry are one good curry, or nice curry. Because my regular curry, then when I put 2 tablespoons to 2.5 pound of meat, it ready. But now me put it and look, the curry, curry is too strong. When you taste now, when the curry is too strong now, and when it on your tongue, you feel that kind of I don't know what to call it. It's like it will numb your tongue. It's like your tongue becomes numb. The curry is too strong. You gotta correct this curry, or you want to throw it out. Can't afford to throw out your meat and your curry and your season. No. What you can do if you got some more meat, whatever the meat is, let us say you're using chicken. If you have some more chop up chicken, you stop cooking. What you want to do now, rub up little seasoning on that chop up chicken. No more curry, You're going to add it to that partially cooked meat curry already, curry chicken. But listen how you do it. You don't just add this raw meat to that partially cooked meat. You're going to put it in a little pan by itself and kind of cook it part way. Kind of half cook it to bring it to the stage of what that curry the curry chicken where you cook with 2 strong is. I hope you're all in. And if you're not in and you don't understand, you can leave your comments, and if I have got to do it actually to show you, I will do it if you're not understanding what I'm saying. So you'd want to put a little more chicken. Because I say you have 2 pounds of chicken, that's thing a strong. Yeah, some more chicken will just kind of, level off too much of that strong curry there, because you put in some more meat. So that extra meat, when I have no curry, start to pull some of the extra curry, gravitate towards it. So the curry now get level off. The other thing, I have no more chicken. When we forget more chicken from, now just 1 chicken or 2 or 3 pounds of chicken I cut up. This is the answer. In Jamaica, we call it chocho. I think there are other names for it. I don't know. All you who know the name, the other name, please to leave it in the comments below. I know a lot of you out there, you're bright people, and you know say not everything we know like that. We call it in Jamaica chocho. I don't know what you call it. I know there's another name, or there are other names for it. This is the other help for the too strong of a curry. You're gonna peel this, you know to peel it, and you're going to dice it up. And you're going to just put it right into that strong curry, because this here, it has the ability to pull anything that is too strong. If you are cooking any meat and it gets extra salt, you can cut up a little like this structure, put it in there. It will, because it's of a watery nature, you know. So it will pull extra salt, and it will pull in or pull out the extra strong taste from the curry. I hope you have understood what I've just said. If it's not properly understood, I am prepared to do it to get a few little pieces of chicken and to do it, make you see, do it practically if you have not understood. And we're gonna do some videos. I wanna take you some other places inside the kitchen. Yeah, we're going. Look here, no worry yourself, you're not cooking there, no cooking, no worry yourself, baby, you're not cooking. Of course I'm gonna cook. Oh, I'm not for cook. I'm cooking around things here. So now, I'm gonna come at you with some videos. Remember, I told you we're coming bigger, we're coming better, and we'll be even more bold. And you know what happened? Danny, big up yourself once more. You're pulling some of the things that I had inside of me to do some videos. You have started pulling them out. Big up yourself, sir. I want to come at you with some videos that you didn't even understand or really think that I would come at with you. Real information. Have you ever been at home cooking your Sunday rice and peas? I want to come at you with that one. Not now, not today. This is about the curry. But I'm just prepping you. I'm just giving you a little preview. I want to come at you with a video, with videos like you're at home, you're cooking your rice and peas. When you put the rice in a pot, and when you check a stop, when you come back, rice bun up. When you come and lift up your rice pot, rice down at the bottom bun up. In a migla rice put up at top raw than before them pack it in the bag. What you do? You throw it out. It has happened to a lot of us. Worse when you're a newcomer to the kitchen. And people want a newcomer. It happens all the time. It happens. I want to come at you with that video. I want to come at you to show you that you don't have to throw out that pot of rice. You don't have to. I'm going to come at you with videos like those to show you. And then you end up throwing out the pot of rice. And big Sunday you have to end up steam some white rice. Well, you don't have more peas. And if you even have more peas, you ain't got the time to go back to cook that rice and peas. So I'm going to come at you with some videos like those. Keep your notifications on. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so. And when you do so, please make sure you click that bell to make sure you're not absent. You're not marked absent. That as soon as any more of these information videos are out, you will be the first to know. Now, if you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends, with your family, and continue to leave your comments below. If you have not yet subscribed, I'm sorry, as I said, you might want to do so now. And remember to click your bell to make sure that you are present. The bell signifies your presence when the videos are uploaded, because as soon as it goes off, you know, okay, there goes another video from Debbie Dongayard. Okay, y'all? So now, we want to say to you, take this bit of information, go. If you are not clear on it, not a problem. Leave it in the comments below. Okay, y'all? And I'm saying, from my kitchen to yours once more. I hope you have enjoyed this information. And I said to you all, blessings, no stressing. Debbie from Dongayard,